Good day. In this demo, we are introducing our software product, Project on Track. Are you in the construction industry and facing a lot of challenges in managing your engineering and construction projects due to low productivity, cost and schedule overruns? Let us first go through an interesting research data from McKinsey & Company on engineering and construction industry. Construction always matters for the world economy, but it has a long history of poor productivity. Construction-related spending accounts for 13% of the world's GDP. But the sector's annual productivity growth has only increased 1% over the past 20 years. $1.6 trillion of additional value added could be created through higher productivity, meeting half of the world's infrastructure need. Construction is a sector of two halves. The percentage of construction value added per employee is shown here based on the 2013 index. The percentage of construction value added for building is 104%. For civil it is 119%. For industrial, it is 124%. And for specialized, it is 79%. Fragmented specialized trades drag down the productivity of the sector as a whole. The construction industry is ripe for disruption. Large capital projects typically take 20% longer time to finish. And they are up to 80% over budget. R&D spending in construction industry is less than 1% and it runs well behind other industries. Cost and schedule overruns are the norm of the construction sector, and in an average there is 20 months of delay beyond the original schedule and 80% of estimated overrun in capital expenditure. Construction industry can catch up with total economy productivity by taking action in 7 areas, which are industry regulation, collaboration and contracting, design and engineering, procurement and supply chain management, on-site execution, technology, and capability building. There is a potential for 48 to 60% of global productivity improvement by implementation of best practices in the above said areas, apart from total cost savings of 27 to 38%. Amongst all, implementation of technology alone can result in 14 to 15% potential for productivity improvement and cost savings of 4 to 6%. According to the McKinsey Global Institute Industry Digitization Index, 2015 or latest available data, the construction industry is among the least digitized. Digital solutions for construction need to deliver a seamless, real-time experience across 8 use cases of design management, scheduling, materials management, crew tracking, quality control, contract management, performance management, and document management. Let us beat the low productivity trap and transform construction operations. Engineering and construction companies suffer from low margins and relatively low productivity. This chart shows the labor productivity based on 1995 index for the period 1995 to 2014. It further illustrates a shortfall of 20 to 30% productivity in construction industry when compared to other industries. The construction industry faces internal and external challenges. Some of the internal challenges are shortfall in accountability, talent management, reinventing the wheel, failure to adopt new technology, and problems in utilizing resources. Some of the external challenges are fragmented value chains, extensive subcontracting, complex portfolios, competitive pressure, and coping with complexity. The engineering and construction industry can overcome these challenges and do better if we articulate a clear set of values and targets. Build a development program for project managers. Create an integrated data system. Encourage speedy risk mitigation and decision making. Make project delivery teams more accountable. Standardize systems and practices. Create an integrated and transparent performance management system. And minimize the number of changes. Now let us demonstrate the solutions and features of our integrated project management and ERP software called Project on Track. Project on Track is developed with over 3 decades of experience in the construction industry, and it is well equipped to solve those challenges and pave the way for successful project delivery. With improved productivity and substantial cost savings, Project on Track is a cloud-based integrated platform consisting of 25 modules with a multi-user environment and ready-to-implement digital solutions and workflow process to manage portfolio of construction projects with real-time data collaboration and performance monitoring systems. It is easy to use without formal training, and it is a one-for-all and all-in-one platform to manage your entire construction business. Now, we will show how you can easily implement Project on Track in one project and then roll up across your organization. You are about to start a new project and that involves a lot of participating companies, functional departments, resources, documents, processes, and decisions. We will show how you can take on this challenge from the very beginning of the project and manage the resources and gain control of the workflow process and set it in the right direction for the successful delivery of your project. As a first step, the project manager can direct your IT admin to add the list of users with their relevant security profiles using the admin module. Then, the project manager can set up common project rules and process controls to meet specific project requirements to be followed by the project teams. Senior project engineer can review and complete central library, project library, import of project estimate and contracts rates data, cost code schedule, and then integrate all these with the scope of work items to achieve an automated integrated solution. In parallel, another engineer can set up various resource budget for manpower, plant, and equipment, materials, cost, and then get their approval from the project manager. Then, the project planner can import project scope and resources budgets data into Primavera P6 project draft baseline program from POT system. The project planner can then share the resources loaded schedule information from approved baseline with project engineer for integration into project on track scheduling module. Then the project engineer creates the project activity schedule and resources schedules in POT system and gets approval of project manager and assign those to the project as a baseline for monitoring and tracking purposes. Then, the procurement team is ready to start procurement of resources and set up subcontracts based on the project scope, budgets, activity schedule and resource schedules using built-in tools and workflow processes. In parallel, other functional departments of HSE, QA, commercial, and other leads review the existing templates in the POT system and create new templates required to meet any specific project requirement, and make them available to the project teams. These templates are built with mobility and can be used in the field using mobile devices. Project on Track is equipped with 4 major separate modules to deal with resources management, and they are human resources, plant and equipment, materials, and immovable assets. All these 4 resources modules are fully integrated and electronically controlled with other POT modules of procurement, resource utilization records, and accounts and finance modules, and provide a complete solution for the respective functional departments. Now site teams and subcontractors are ready to deploy resources in the project site and execute work. And the day-to-day utilization of resources and work progress records are recorded using daily attendance records, weekly timesheets, and daily work diary. All these records are fully integrated and electronically controlled with other POT modules coupled with easy-to-use templates to improve productivity. Project on Track comes with inbuilt control tools for periodical submissions and approvals, requests and approval process including resources transfer between the projects with time-bound actions, supported with different time zones, and electronic notifications system. Project on Track brings in central document management system with digital solution for all functional departments, with custom-built templates through drag-and-drop method and integrated workflow process, and that will enhance productivity across your organization. Project on Track is well equipped to deal with multiple currencies and provides a complete integrated solution for accounts and finance department to manage your organization's payables, receivables, assets value, and profits. And that includes progress claims, vendor invoices, tax and insurance schedules, and payrolls data. And all these are supported with measurable and electronically verifiable records available from the POT system apart from meeting future auditing requirements. With one-touch data and its collaboration in real time with single source of truth, your company executives, project managers, controls team, and functional department leads are in total control of the project data, and they can track and monitor from day one of its scope, resources, budgets, costs, progress, forecasts and performance down to cost code level, using 250 dashboards and reports available from POT system, and take corrective action on time. Overall, with the measurable data and controls in place, any changes or variations in project scope and budgets are managed using a built-in change order management system. Non-editable audit trails in the POT system provide an extra sense of accountability among the project team while working on a common integrated system with a multi-user environment. Project on Track is a one platform for all functional departments. And it is ready to be implemented across your organization without any customization to manage your entire construction business successfully. Contact us today for a personal demo and find out how Project on Track can transform the way you manage and deliver the projects, or visit our website for more details.